Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a circle skirt. For this skirt I'm using the measurements for a size 12. So to start off, you're going to want to draw a straight line using a ruler, and then you're going to square across to create an L shape. So at the corner, mark this point as 1. Okay, so now you're going to need to do a little bit of math. So to get point number 2, you're going to need the radius of the waist. So you're going to want to get the full measurements of your waist, which will be your circumference, and then you're going to divide it by 6.28. So for a size 12, that's going to be 68 centimeters divided by 6.28, and that gives us the radius of 10.8 centimeters. So from number 1, measure down the radius, and then you're going to mark this point as 2. So from 1 to 3, it's the radius measurement again. From your marked points 2 and 3, you're going to want to draw a quarter circle using a curved ruler. So from 2, you're going to measure down your chosen length for the skirt. For my length, I went with 50 centimeters. So when you measure this down, mark this point as 4. So from 3, measure across the same length again and mark this point as 4. So from the quarter circle, I like to measure the length of the skirt the whole way across, because this just makes it so much easier when you're drawing in your quarter circle for the hem. So now that I've that done, I'm going in with the curved ruler and I'm going to draw the hemline joining both number 4 points together. So make sure you mark in all of your pattern information. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So to make this skirt, what you're going to want to do is use the pattern for both the front and the back. But for the front, you're going to want to cut it on the fold. And then if you're thinking of having a join or in the back for a zip, you want to cut out 2 pieces for the back. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more pattern videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys!